everybody, welcome back to the Civil Owner Takeover. Today we are just going to go on an adventure at this park, and we're going to see what it's like. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Not in Texas, but we do have a cactus. Alright, so there's this pipe. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the GoPro down there and have you guys see what's down there. I don't wanna go down there. Let's see if we can get a good visual. See if you can see down there for everyone here. Alright. Oh! Fire ant pile. Stay away from those. Now we're trying to find our way to the alligators. All right, we're gonna go this way. Goes that way. All right, so now we're at another area. It's either left or right. I'm gonna say left, because she's going. Alright everybody, we hope you enjoyed the video today. We took an adventure in a random park. Well, she's been here once, but other than that, it was random. It was nice, beautiful out, great day. We hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure you hit the subscribe and you like the video. All that that helps a lot. Thank you. Y'all have a good one.